In the words of Cleo Soul, I can't change the world without changing myself. And that might go over some people's head because people are so afraid of change. People think change means you have to change who you are, who you be, what you consider as your values and your core beliefs. But it's really about just wanting to change for better. Like we always could get better. There's always a way and a day of when we can get better. So, you know, take time to go out, seek nature, seek nature and